afternoon, folks, from Colorado. We're just out doing some exploring today. We came up the West Delores Road after we come out of Delores, Colorado. And this is supposed to make a loop all the way back around to just north of RICO. And there's a little town up here called Dunton, D-U-N-T-O-N, I guess. It's supposed to be pretty neat. So we're just going to see what we can see. The scenery is beautiful. Mountains on both sides and out front. Folks, out here in the middle of nowhere, we have a phone booth. There's a power unit right there. There's a phone book and a phone in there. Okay. They even got the stairs here, and there's the connection. Didn't mean to stop in the middle of the road. It works.
It's common in Amish country. I don't
know. Yeah.
I guess it's just so far back here. You don't know.
Nice little cabin right there. Okay, let's get back on the road. Okay, get back on the road from looking at that phone booth. Crossing another cattle guard. There's a pull off. There is no cell service out here, so maybe that's there so people need to make an emergency call or something. A little bit closer to those mountains there. Alright folks, this is the Dunton River Camp down here. Go horseback riding. Beautiful scenery out there, right along the river. Geyser Spring Trailhead. Here's the trailhead for the Geyser Springs.
They've set that up pretty nice.
Yep.
Somebody's walking it.
More power to them. Look at that, folks. Trying to film and drive and it don't work, folks. Watch the road, not the scenery. Nice cabin in the woods. River down yonder.
TV for you, off to the right.
Yeah, he's pulling over here just when I wanted to start filming. Look at this place, folks. Lots of cabins. That is the Dunton Hot Springs. Yep. Come stay there and you can enjoy the hot springs. I'm not sure if they're safe, but you can enjoy them. You got the mountains out there.
6 cents a mile for the country road 52. Then we're probably going to have to go on some forest roads, and I don't know, because this is probably man-made. Glad I put all that food stuff in the back.
thunderclouds building up. Look at that stream. Okay.
Here we go. Hear that thunder?
Yeah, I heard it. Folks, we're climbing up this mountain here. Steady going up. Rain's coming down a little bit. Thundering quite a bit. Yeah. It's starting to turn into a shelf road, it looks like. Got a sign that says fallen rock. Hopefully it'll hold on. Okay. A little bit smoother road here. Don't want to make a mistake. Picked up that thunder.
This is like return to Johnson Mesa.
Yes, sir. Pretty up here, though.
Yeah, it is. It would have been something to be the first person to see all this.
Yeah, I'd have liked to have been a mountain man back in the late 1700s, early 1800s coming through here.
Well, in the 1700s, you wouldn't have been coming up this far because they weren't even over the Appalachian Mountains yet. But the 1800s should be, or middle 1800s should be over this way.
Looks like we got campers up here on the left.
Can't blame them. It's pretty up here. That's an awful big mountain meadow right here.
Yeah, there's a Prius up here. Storm out there, folks. It's probably over close to where we're camping. back with those vehicles parked. That's Kilpacker Trailhead. Looks like an old residence there, maybe. Have this little plot right here on the left.
Well, you own a portion of it. You're a U.S. citizen that pays taxes. Back in the day, whenever they had rangers and all that stuff that lived out here full time, that could have been just one of his summer camps.
Look at those meadows, folks.
That meadow is colorful. It is off to the left. Oh, never mind. You're pointing the camera of it.
And we are headed down the mountain now. Folks, if y'all haven't done so already, I'd appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. It sure does help. Hit the like, thumbs up, thumbs down, either one. Leave a comment. They all help the algorithm. I am less than 100 away from 1,000 subscribers. Can't wait to hit that mark, and would appreciate everybody's help in trying to get there. Look at these aspen trees, folks. A tunnel of aspens. There's a robin. I don't know if you can see him flying in front of the vehicle or not. Still hoping to see my first bear on this trip, folks.
We got two big cutbacks coming up before we hit 145.
Okay. Now we're going to break out in the open here and look at that mountain over there. Y'all see that? Look at that. Woo, it's a long ways down, folks. You don't want to miss your turn. Although if you did and going downhill like that, you'd save on gas. When I started this loop, my average mile per gallon was 17.4. I am now down to 16.5. So I've lost almost a mile per gallon. I got a feeling it's not much further. I'm starting to see buildings. Highway 145 right there in front of us, folks. Here's the highway.
Yep, finally. I'm shook to death.
Okay, folks, I'm going to shut this off. We're back here at the highway. Even the ride on the highway is a pretty ride. If you like mountains and trees. If you don't like those, then I'm sorry, I can't help you. Just winding our way around these mountains, folks. Got the Delores River down on our left. Y'all can't see it. Right now I can't see it. Looks like we're coming into RICO.
Yes, sir.
And folks, we're coming into the town of RICO. We're coming in from the north this time. We've been coming in from the south. Building some new townhomes or something here on the left. I'm going to stop at the gas station store down here.
Alrighty.